Are you struggling to get your dream skin with your current skincare routine? While it's easy to point fingers at the products or ingredients, but sometimes it's more than that, and the issue lies in how you are using your products. Yes, it's true. We've been in your shoes and we are here to help you avoid these common mistakes. So we have compiled step-by-step guide on how to correctly apply your skincare products and get the desired results. Hi, I'm Eva, your coolest host at Beauty Warren, to make sure that you've got everything right. And if you're new to our channel, we drop a video every Saturday on skincare and beauty guides tips. So you wouldn't want to miss on our videos, so make sure you subscribe to our channel, like, share, and we're good to go. How to double cleanse. Double cleansing consists of oil-based cleanser and water-based cleanser. It can be intimidating if you are a beginner, so follow these steps to master the art. Either oil or balm best, take adequate amount and apply it onto your dry face. Make sure your hands are super clean and in circular motion, start massaging it gently for about 30 to 40 seconds before taking a few drops of water on your palm. Then back to your face and continue massaging for another 20 to 30 seconds. This next step is very crucial. You must rinse with lukewarm water. This process ensures that all the oil-based impurities like sebum and makeup are effectively removed, or you're probably going to get some acne popping up. Gel, foam, or cream base of your choice of cleanser. Water cleansers works well alone in the AM, but 4 PM it contributes to removing any remaining residue that could lead to potential acne. Be sure that your cleanser does not leave your skin dry after wash. It's all about getting your skin squeaky clean without stripping off its natural oil. Take just a small amount of cleanser on your damp hands, a few drops of water to lather or create a foam. Then you apply it on your face. Massage gently around your face, neck, and focus more on the area that produces sebum. After 60 seconds, rinse off with lukewarm water. Over-the-counter chemical exfoliators commonly found in everyday skincare products have made it easier than ever to prevent acne, maintain youthful skin, and reduce spendings on skincare procedures. However, proper usage is the key. Now, chemical exfoliators typically found in essences and serums are potent and effective at removing dead skin cells and unclogging the pores, leading to a fresh and rejuvenated look. It's easy to get carried away and over-exfoliate, which can and will instantly lead to weakened skin barrier. Therefore, it is recommended to use these products 1 to 2 times a week. Now, apply an adequate amount on dry skin after toning by patting it directly or swiping across using a cotton pad. Wait for a good 3 to 5 minutes, then follow up with the next step. Nowadays, exfoliants are also present in cleansers, toners, wash-off products, and even moisturizers. How to apply toner? Unlike old school toners, the now toners are formulated to balance your skin's pH levels, hydrate, cleanse, and prepare your skin for the next steps, enhancing their effectiveness. Most toners should be applied in few drops immediately after you cleanse your face, while your skin is still about 30% damp for better absorption. If you're familiar with the 7 skin method, it involves layering your toners to 7 times to boost hydration and plump up the skin, thereby helping the skin to prevent skin dehydration. How to apply essence? Essences are the hybrid products that works in between toners and serums, or does work as either. Even in terms of texture, there are either more runny like toners or viscous like serums, so you can layer the products depending on the texture. So you get best of both hydration and helps targeted skin concerns. How to apply serum or ampule? Serums or ampules fall under treatment category and mostly used right before your moisturizer step. They're used as a specific treatments for your skin concerns like wrinkles, dark spots, redness, or even dry patches. You just need a little amount for targeted spot or all over your face and neck. And if it is a dropper, like, do not let it touch your skin. Now, how to apply sheet masks? Sheet masks are most of an instant remedy, but you will only see the result when you use the right way. Sheet masks provide calming, deep hydration, and some even gives out the most satisfying glow. Here's all you need to do to get that Edward Cullen glow. After your toner step, apply the sheet mask and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes as instructed. Then let it go, then massage the remaining product all over your face, your neck, and even your feet. Now do not sleep with it, alright? It will make your face dry and take off your natural moisture and your skin. You'll be left looking like a mummy. So do not do that, okay? Eye cream can be both for AM and PM or just PM. So if it has retinol or retinol, it can go for the PM. It also really depends on the texture or consistency to determine which step you can apply it with. If it's lightweight, you can go before the moisturizer, and if it's heavier, after or just instead of your creams, right? Take a pea size, then apply in dots under the eye before gently massaging it with your ring finger. Remember, the skin around your eyes is delicate, so be gentle. How to apply moisturizer? Moisturizers go in the last step. It works to seal in all the products that you have applied. It prevents skin dehydration even for oilier skin types and protects from any external factors like dust, impurities from disturbing the skin's barrier. Take just a scoop, not too much, and massage it gently around your face and not skipping your neck and upper chest area as well. You're gonna thank me later on that one. Honestly, moisturizers aren't bad, and you just need to pick the right one for your skin. Now, sunscreen during AMs, they go in last. They go in last after moisturizer step, and for PM, you can skip it. But skipping your sunscreen is a no-no if you want to protect your skin from sun damage and inviting visible signs of aging before it's time. Remember, prevention is always better. Sadly, some of you are still not applying the right amount of sunscreen to get the Ultra Pro Max protection. 2 to 3 fingerful is perfect amount for your whole face. Just take in one line at a time and layer them, and you're ready to face the world outside. And there you have it, Skinbeats. These step-by-step guides have proven effective both for our team and countless others. So if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful in any way, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and don't forget to follow us on our Instagram for daily free content. We look forward to seeing you again. Take care. Bye.